Hello there and welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can design t-shirt designs like this with Artistly. Well, here's one example. I'll show you some more. Here's one more. Here's another. Here's one more. And I'm going to show you some more. Exhausted with call mom. Blessed to be called dad. Okay, how about graffiti style? Alright, these are some designs that I just created as sample for this video, and I'm going to show you how exactly you can do this without much effort. Ready? Okay, here we go. Let me go into Artistly right now. I'm in Artistly right now, and I'm in the personal designs page. So if you want to get to this page on your own login, let's do it from the beginning. Let's go to the welcome page. Then I click on create design, fast AI image designer, and then you can click on personal designs and you'll see all that. Now here, how do we get to the t-shirt design? So I think you already must have noticed it here. We are in the AI image designer version 5. Click on that and then select t-shirt designs. When you select t-shirt designs, you're going to find all these, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 into 9, almost 100 designs for you to test out. Okay, take a look. You remember the slot design that you just saw? That's based on this. Okay, so there's a lot of interesting designs, and you see the Jesus design that I worked on, that's based on this. Born to sleep, forced to work. Great designs. Now I'm going to show you one easy way to create designs. Maybe let's choose this one: eat, sleep, gym, repeat. Let's see if we can create something like this to be as good as this. Okay, so I selected that. As soon as you select any of the designs that you want to recreate, you're going to get a prompt here, a prompt that was actually designed to create this design. And then you can click on generate image, you can select the quantity, all that. But we want to create something different. We don't want eat, sleep, gym, repeat. We want to create something else with some other icon there, some other elements, these tiny elements, the stars and all that. So let's see how we can do that. And for that, we're going to use our trusty old friend ChatGPT to create new designs. And I'm just going to show you that in a moment. I copied the prompt from Artistly, pasted it here, and I'm going to do something else. I have a little prompt thing that I'm going to take. I'll share this with you in the video description so you don't miss it out. I'm going to paste it right above the prompt that we copied. So I'm writing, take this prompt and generate versions with different characters and niches. Keep the overall format similar. This will be used to generate t-shirt designs. It's just good to give some context to ChatGPT so it knows what we're actually trying to do. So the prompt that we have entered here, bold, energetic, gym theme. So this is what we want to change, featuring the phrase eat, sleep, gym, repeat. The words eat and repeat are in bold. All okay. So we want different colors, different generated versions with different characters. Let's change the colors and niches. Let's say accents, icons and niches. Okay, so let's see how many shall we get. Maybe let's say we'll create 5 versions. Okay, and let's send this and see what it comes out with. Okay, eat, sleep, study, repeat. It's using the same thing. Inhale, exhale, stretch, repeat. Okay, the repeat is repeated. Eat, sleep, game, repeat. Eat, sleep, paint, repeat. Okay, artist, niche, interesting. Pet lover, eat, sleep, pet, repeat. So what if we want to change these words themselves? Can you create 5 more with a different set of words as well? Let's see if we get something else. No pain, no power. Okay, that's again in the fitness industry. Climb, fall, rise, adventure. Let's try this one. So climb, fall, rise. I'm going to copy this prompt. Let's see. We've got a lot of t-shirt design prompts here. We're going to try this and we'll come back and try another. Okay, so let's head back into Artistly. I'm in the same page as earlier. So I'm going to replace this with the new prompt that we got. I'm going to select 4 quantity. I like 4 just because it fills up the entire screen. It's just a little thing. You can do just 1 or 2, your choice, but I'm going to do 4. Let's generate image and let's see what happens. Okay, in just a few seconds or so we should have our designs ready. Let's see, what was it? Climb, fall, rise, some adventure theme. Let's see what comes up. I'm going to hit refresh and see if these designs have been processed already. So F5 to refresh. Oh, there we have climb, fall, rise. Nice. Nice. Which one do you like the best? I think I like this one. Now, you might notice a problem. Most of the t-shirt designs need to be created with a transparent background. And here in Artistly, we get some background. There is some color always. So we need to get rid of this background. And sometimes what happens is when you remove this background, your text or the icons may not come out as clean as they are seen here. So there are 2 ways to go with this. You can either print this design as it is with this black, so you can put it on a white t-shirt with a square background, so it'll look good, not bad. But if you want to put this on any other color t-shirt, then you have to remove this black background. So let's also go and find out how to do that. I'll show that to you in a minute, but before that, let's create one more design. I think I want to create one more design. Okay, so hold on. I just copied one more prompt and this is from the gaming niche. So I'm going to go back to that, t-shirt designs, select any one of these, doesn't matter. Replace that with your new prompt. I'm going to select 4 again. You can do any number like I told you and click on generate image. This is going to be for a different niche. So while this is generating, I'm going to create one more as well. Like any of these designs? I think I like this one. Eat, sleep, game, repeat. That's nice. This is nice. These are nice designs. Great for t-shirts. Okay, I'm going to create one more. I'm going to select that. I'm going to replace this with something else. I'm going to choose 4, generate image. See how quick it is. As soon as you have your prompt, it's, oh, I thought this was already generated and it came up as failed to generate. Didn't we see this image already? Okay, I don't know what happened there, but let's see. Let's wait. I'm gonna hit refresh and check if our designs are ready. Oh, there we go. Dragon mind. This doesn't have the mind, but it's still a dragon. Okay, cute and nice, right? Dragon mind, dragon mind, dragon mind. This is the psychedelic image, and this is how you can generate all these wonderful t-shirt designs. Now what we're going to do is download a couple of these designs. Let's see, this dragon looks nice. I like the dragon part of it. Dragon mind is what we were aiming for. Maybe this one also is nice with the dragon, which I can't decide. Okay, so in one dragon mind, I'm going to download this. Then for eat, sleep, game, repeat, I'll download this one. This one. Okay, so I've downloaded these 3. I'm going to now take them into different tools and show you how you can remove the background. All right, just to make things easier for us, I've opened my Canva account and I'm in a t-shirt designs document that I've created. This is a 5000 by 5000 pixel size. It's a square format. I've got my images uploaded here. These are the designs. So let's drag and drop some of these here and see how we can do it. So let's start with eat, sleep, game. Okay, let's do that. Let's set this as background and now let's remove the background. So it's not as clean as we thought it would be. It's not as clean as we thought it would be. So if we try and see, let's detach image from background. Let's actually stretch it out so we can actually use another background. Let's try this shape. Let's get this one to black, stretch it out completely. Or can I set it as background? No, let's stretch it out. Okay, and then in positions we can arrange this to be the background. There's some of these things that have crept in now. Is that okay? Is that how it was earlier? Was that the original one? Let's go back to our uploads and see. Let's create another page down here. Let's drag this. Yeah, that is exactly what it is. Now let's look at both our designs. Yes. Yes. Now I can change the background color also, right? Let's see now. I need to select this one, change the color to, let's say, this. Okay, or let's check some of the colors out. Gradient colors, got this gradient color, got this, or let's go to solid colors and select red. Okay, so there's a lot you can do now. And then you just need to, of course, export it without the background. So let's actually remove the background. Let's go back to position, layers, this one. We're going to delete this. Where is that? Here it is. Delete that. And now this one, we go to share, download, PNG 5000 by 5000, transparent background, and then click on download. Oh wait, we need just this page, current page, download, and you're done. So that's how you will download these t-shirt design images to make them your own. Let's look at another example. Let's get another one. Let's try this one. Climb, rise, fall. Background remover. Okay, so the mountain looks like that. The black has been removed from all this. Is that okay? I don't know. So let's actually add that element again and check. Let's set image as background. Yep. And we can enlarge this, center it, and we're done. This is good. This is good. So it's going to be good on black. Let's see if it is good on some other color. Whoa, no, sorry. Let's select this. That's an image. I should have used a shape. Let's use the shape. Let's choose some of the color. Let's go to solid colors, and then let's go to something teal. Sorry, this video is actually taking too long, but I just want to show you how we can do this. So not that, sorry, position, let's go pull it down. Okay, fine, it's not bad, but I think the black looks better. Black looks better. Black looks better. Okay, so that's another one. Let's do one more. Let's do the dragon maybe, or let's do some white one, and we'll try the dragon one, and we'll try the inner calm one. So let's try all these. This one should be easy for background removal because it's white. And there we go. Good, just enlarge it and you can print it on white t-shirts. Dragon, let's remove the background. Okay, looks good. Looks good. It'll look better with a black background. So this is good too. What else? Inner calm, let's remove background. So this is so easy. But unfortunately, one thing I need to mention is that to do this in Canva, you need the pro version. So if you don't have the pro version, just keep watching and I'll show you how you can do this with a free tool. Okay. I'm in a tool called Remove.bg. It's free. It's automatic. It's good. It's as good as Canva. And we're going to upload an image here and show you how it can be done here. I've got my folder open here and we're going to drag one of these designs into Remove.bg. We're going to try the inner calm As soon as you drag it here, it's going to show you a window like this, an overlay. So just drag and drop it here and your image should automatically be cleaned up. Okay, there we go. Now here's the problem we have with background remove.bg. So when I download it, I can only download in a preview version, which is 500 by 500. The max quality is 1024 by 1024. But remember, in Canva, we downloaded these images 5000 by 5000, which is really high quality. So that's one drawback here. So if I click on 500 by 500, the download will be started and it will download as a very small file. And then you have to upscale this image to get back to decent quality. So that's the only drawback with Remove.bg. But if not, if you want to unlock this, I think you got to pay a subscription or some kind of fee. You can do that if you want. But I use Canva. That's good for me. If you have experience with Photoshop or any other tools like that, you can use that as well. But it might take a little longer to do it. So this is how you can remove the backgrounds and upload the designs to any t-shirt platform, maybe even Redbubble or TeePublic, and sell your designs. Yeah, sorry about that. I got mixed up with the words. All right, so let's get back into Artistly for the final look. Back in Artistly, and I'm trying to figure out why this one didn't work. So let's just find out. I can restart design. I'm going to restart design. Hopefully that will get regenerated. In the meantime, I created one more design, grace to grind. So this is one. I don't know why one is there. Grace grind, that looks okay. Grace plus, no, that's not. Faith comes first. This one added actually additional text. This was not there in my original design. Faith comes first. Grace equals grind. I don't know why the equals to symbol is there. Was that in the design? Let's see. Phrase grace greater than grind. Okay, it's supposed to be greater than and it chose equal to symbol. So yeah, we're gonna have some problems like this, but don't worry, you can always go back and choose another prompt, another version of it, create your own and enjoy creating all these. So let's just refresh and check if this is done. Refresh. Are you done? Yes, you are done. This is quite okay, I don't like it as much, but still. So there you have it. You can create your own beautiful t-shirt designs with Artistly. Once again, to recap, you log in, you come to this page, create your design, Fast AI Image Designer, go to the first one, select t-shirt designs, select any one of these. Okay, let's say Savage. Okay, then take this prompt, put it in ChatGPT, ask it to give you more variations, put the new versions of these prompts into this, generate your image, and your t-shirt designs should be ready. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you have fun playing with this. By the way, if you do not have access to Artistly, I'm leaving a link in the description below, and you'll also find the little prompt there. Get them both. Enjoy working with Artistly. This is one of the best softwares I've ever seen, and it beats Midjourney straight out of the park. All right, so thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in another one. Bye-bye.